Hi, I'm Chris and I'm going to show you how to use Luminara today. First thing you want to do when you get it out of the box, you're going to have it like this, plug it in, and then you see this light up blue button. You're going to hold that down and it's going to power up. Now when you look at it, it'll have a number here and a number here. You can feel it and feel that that's cold air right there. I want you to touch this button right here. It's going to go up to 1 and you'll find it's warmer air and a little more air. Touch it again, level 2. It's going to be even warmer, more power. And 3. And this is going to be the warmest setting. You can take that back down to 0. This button right here is your timer. So you'll see it's going up. And you can change it all the way up to 90 minutes, but the first setting is 10 minutes. And you can use that to time each part of your body that you're using it for. And then to turn it off, you just press that first blue button again, and then you're good. When you have your wand, you're gonna get a packet, and it's gonna look like this. So with the Terahertz Wand packet, it's got a lot of information in it. You'll start out, it has use, instructions, there's safety right here. There's acupuncture points, tips, frequently asked questions, and then these are the pages that I want you to look at for anything that you have going on. You have your targeted area recommendation. So this will give you clear instructions on each different thing right here, here, and then here. So you're gonna have 3 pages worth of that. And it's just different things you can use it for. If you have varicose veins, if you have inflammation, hyperthyroidism, a headache, if you're doing it for weight loss, however, just whatever thing that you're using this for, it's gonna tell you the spots to hit. When you're using this wand, so we're gonna turn her back on. And we're gonna take the setting up. When you're using it, I want you to do circular, or you can do a figure 8. On whichever area of the body that you're using it. So circles or figure 8. It's important to note not to use this anywhere in the body. If you have something that's metal in your body, such as a joint replacement or anything of that nature, you don't want to use it on a place where you have the metals because it can cause irritation on the inside of your body. Now, with this, you also don't want to leave it in the same spot. Just don't have it just beaming on you. Do the circles, do the figure 8s. If you have it just beaming on you, that may cause skin irritation, and then that's the opposite of what we want to do. If you have any other questions, call us 804-495-0770, or if you want to make an appointment with us to come in and look at a variety of our Terahertz wands and use it in person, you can call in, ask for Nicole, and she'll set your appointment. Thanks.